So you've got a lawn. Now what? Here's your guide to caring for new turf in Victoria. Step 1. Water. Water is life, and your new turf is thirsty. As soon as you've laid that turf down, give it a big drink. Think of it as a welcome gift. The goal is to keep the soil beneath it consistently moist, but not drowning. Here's the golden rule. Water every day for the first 2 weeks. Morning and late afternoon are the best times to avoid evaporation. In cooler weather, 10 to 15 minutes per session will do. In the middle of a hot Victorian summer, bump that up to 20 to 30 minutes. After 2 weeks, start reducing the amount of times you water while increasing the amount of water you use each time. This encourages roots to grow deep and strong. And a quick tip, if you're unsure whether your lawn needs water, lift up a corner. If the soil underneath is dry, it's time to turn on the hose. Step 2, mow, but don't be too eager. I know you're itching to fire up the mower and give your lawn that manicured look, but be patient. Mowing too early can pull up the turf before it's properly rooted. Wait until your turf is 6 to 8 centimetres tall before the first mow. Start with a high blade setting. Only cut 1/3 of the blade height at a time. This keeps your lawn thick and healthy, rather than looking like it just got a bad haircut. Step 3. Feed your lawn like you would a growing child. New turf is like a teenager. It needs food, and lots of it, but not just any food. It needs the right balance of nutrients. For its first feed, about 3 to 4 weeks after laying the turf, apply a balanced fertiliser, equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. For ongoing care, fertilise every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season to help keep your lawn looking its best. And a pro tip, don't overdo it. Too much fertiliser, too soon, can burn your turf and set you back weeks. Step 4. Watch your step. Literally. I get it, you want to show off your beautiful new lawn, but hold off on backyard cricket for a little while. New turf is delicate, and too much foot traffic can mess with its ability to take root properly. Try to keep people and pets off it for at least 2 weeks. If you do notice stress or damage, increase watering and keep an eye on it. It'll bounce back with the right care. Now before you go, remember to watch out for those mistakes that you could already be making. Let's be honest, we've all seen those lawns that look like a patchy, struggling mess. Most of the time, it's because of a few common mistakes. Overwatering or underwatering, keep that balance right. Moist but not soggy. Mowing too early, if you cut it before it's ready, you could be setting yourself up for failure. Skipping soil prep. If your lawn is struggling from the start, poor soil could be the culprit. Heavy foot traffic too soon, your lawn needs time to settle in before it becomes the neighbourhood's favourite soccer pitch. Ignoring signs of stress. If your lawn is yellowing, wilting, or looking patchy, don't ignore it. A little extra attention early on can save you a headache later. And if you ever need extra help, just ask. Call us. Let us know how you're currently looking after your lawn, and we'll give you any suggestions that we'd recommend. Follow us if you love your lawn.